I am sorry to I'm sorry for this clip because I deleted the intro clip, so I just thought of re-recording it. I'm going to edit the video, okay? So basically, I know many of you would be having this doubt that every beauty creator, she shows a new product in every other video. What is that product that she is even using on an everyday basis? You would be having that doubt. So I just thought of clearing that air for my audience. So I'm just making this video to make you all understand these are the products that I use on an everyday basis. These are the products that if I empty them, I would rebuy the same product, okay? Because many times when I empty one, it's like I would try something else. It happens mostly for moisturizer and sunscreen. So that's how my brain works, okay? Because I mean, if we try a new product, we can recommend it or we can review it. That is also work, right? So that's how my brain works, okay? So, I mean, I think that's how many creators' brain work. So, in between all those things, I just thought, okay, maybe I'll do a video on what are the products that I would empty and rebuy again and again so that you people can understand what I love the most and what I keep rebuying regularly. Okay, so that's the motto of this video. I hope you enjoy it. Okay, bye. Sorry for the quality of the intro. Sorry. Okay, bye. So the first product is from Mars. It's their makeup remover wipes. I think I've emptied around 5 to 6 packs of this. This is my 7th or 8th. Because whenever I'm doing lipstick swatches, I want something like this to remove and reapply lipsticks. Now I also do swatches behind my hands while I'm filming video. Micellar water or cleansing balm, it becomes really clumsy when you are filming. So that's the reason why I like to use wipes while I'm filming. And this one, it effectively removes waterproof makeup, lipstick and everything. So I really love this. Highly effective makeup remover. And next product is Garnier Micellar Water, and I'm pretty much sure many of you watching this video would have emptied this countless number of times because this is the best micellar water available in the market in the affordable category. I remove my eye makeup mascara using this and then I move in with my cleansing balm. So I definitely need this in my life. So that's the reason why I keep on rebuying it. Like, it's not that, okay, I emptied this Garnier one, which one should I buy next? I don't get into that kind of a thinking itself because I know if I empty this, I should buy the same thing. And the next makeup remover I really love is Plum cleansing balm. Now I also like the Face Shop cleansing oil, but for some reason I never thought of rebuying it. This is the only product I be like, okay, emptied, let's place another order for the same product. That's how my mind works. So the combo, I really need this for my makeup days. And the next product is this Plum Salicylic Acid face wash. Now this is a product that will clean your skin from within without drying your face. So that's the reason why I really like this, because I do have dry skin, and especially in the winter months, like winters in Chennai, even that kind of climate will dry my skin. So I like to use something that is non-drying, but at the same time I want salicylic acid in my face wash. So this is the perfect option for that. And next, Blue Heaven Gentle Nail Paint Remover. Now this removes your nail paint very effectively, and yeah, I change nail paints pretty often. I've uploaded my nail polish collection. You can go ahead and watch it. I'll link it here. So I change my nail polishes quite often, so I really need a good nail paint remover, and this works really well for me. Next is this Niacinamide Serum from Plum. This is, again, as I already mentioned, my skin is like, it's a little bit drier, so I need something that will also hydrate my skin, give me that beautiful glow. So this works really well. I also like Minimalist one. I use it when it's peak summers. That is also something I've rebought. And the next product I really loved and rebought multiple times is this Biolage serum. Now I'm using the Pilgrim one, and also I'm trying the Streaks one, but I've been like only using this before 6 months, so I really love this one. So yeah, it's a very good basic serum. I don't know how it works on frizzy hair, but if you have hair like mine, which is naturally low porous and doesn't really get frizzy, then you can definitely try this one. It's such a good serum, hair serum. And Vaseline Petroleum Gel. Do I even have to say why I am rebuying this? This is the lip lip balm I wear at night. I don't know, for some reason I'm used to that, used to using this during the night time. So this is one thing. And also Nivea lip balm, I've rebought it very many times. That's also something I really love. And the next makeup product that I rebought is Fit Me concealer. Like, this is almost empty and it's also expired, so I actually rebought it because this is a concealer that will match my cheeks so well, and I can actually wear this on top of my darker concealer and it's going to give me a beautiful base. This is a medium coverage concealer, and also it feels light and weight. It lasts pretty long. I really wish Maybelline come with more shades in India, but still this particular shade, it actually works pretty good for me, so I really like it. I love the formula, and also the color is also very good, so I rebought it. And then comes Dazzler loose powder. Now you people know how much I love it. I use this on an everyday basis, to be very honest. In the recent times, I've been trying new products to recommend, new loose powders to recommend. Otherwise, this will still be my favorite. Okay, please keep that in mind. So I rebought this one. I emptied a whole tub and I rebought this one. So that's how much I love it. It's a very good finely milled loose powder that will be great if you want to set your entire face. Now this will not make your makeup waterproof or sweat proof, keep that in mind, okay? But it's a very good tinted powder to set your face, and it also comes in 16 different shades. So yeah. And the next product I really loved and rebought is this one from Pilgrim. I'll actually show the new tube I have, okay? So here is a new tube, and this is the tube I'm using currently, and I've already emptied 2 tubes of this. This is the moisturizer I wear at night. This actually hydrates without making your skin feel very heavy and greasy, so that's the reason why I love it. I also like to apply this under my makeup. In that way too it works. So I really like this. This is actually my most favorite ceramide based moisturizer at this point, so I love this. And more makeup products like this Swiss Beauty orange character. You can see how much I've used this. This is my second tube, and I've also ordered one more. So like, this Swiss Beauty orange character will be my forever favorite one, because I really like how it is. Like, if you have pigmentation, one thing is that your base will get gray. The other thing is that orange characters in itself will not have coverage most of the times, but this particular concealer will give you coverage. Like, it's an orange character, but it will also give you some coverage. So that's the reason why I like this more, because my kind of dark circles need extra help. So this is the best orange character if you are near to my skin tone, or if you have pigmentation dark circles similar to mine, okay? And if you've been following me for a while, you would literally throw slippers at me, because I've added this in my regrets video. This is Jill Venus razor, okay? This is the skin loving one or something, okay? I don't like this at all, okay? I am forced to use this because I like the pink one a lot, but whenever I use the pink one, I am getting lots of rashes and pimples under my arms. Like, it will be a clean new razor, and I'll also be using it in the right way, but still I would get so many pimples, like so many bumps and all that. I was like, okay, maybe let me just try this and see, and my skin accepted this one. So, but still it gives a little bit of prickly result, which I don't really like, but at this point I don't have any other option, so I have to use this. So that's the reason why I rebuy it very many times. And yeah, so that's my sad story with the razor, okay? And other makeup products include, so this is Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Infinite Mattifying Longwear Makeup Fixing Spray. This is a very good makeup fixer. I actually recently rebought this. This is a product that will, set your makeup, and it will not add that greasiness, heaviness or stickiness or even that dewiness to your face. The way you do your makeup, you apply it and it's going to stay the same, okay? No unwanted dewiness or stickiness or anything like that. So that's the reason why I really like this. It feels very light and weight, and it obviously makes your makeup last longer. So yeah, a very good spray. Buy this from Amazon Bazaar, okay? On normal Amazon you would find it for about 500 or so, but on Amazon Bazaar you can get this for about 375 or so. So yeah, give this on Amazon Bazaar, and I don't know, for some reason I've been rebuying setting sprays a lot, because at this point my makeup is literally saved by a setting spray, because as I already mentioned, I've been I mean, my skin is little dry, but I like to use natural matte products. I'm not a very big fan of dewy finish products, so only makeup fixing sprays or setting sprays will help me hydrate my skin. So yeah, a lot of setting sprays that I've been enjoying, like using up very much. This is Swiss Beauty Select Prep Set Matte Makeup Fixer. Now this will not give you matte finish and all that, but it's a very good setting spray. I don't like the mist of it, but still okay for me. This will hydrate your base really well and also set your base. Okay, so that's the reason why I really love this. I actually bought another one recently. So a very good spray. Like if you're looking to buy a good setting spray that will also hydrate your skin, then you can definitely go for this. I think I've built this habit of like spraying my setting spray, and I'll be like standing like I am under a shower. So that's the point I reached with my life. So yeah. And next I have a L'Oreal Fixing Spray. Now this is their infallible 3-second setting spray. Now if at all I'm going out, I would definitely wear this. Okay, so yeah, I would definitely need something, because this also is something that runs out very easily. So yeah, that's the reason why I actually rebought this. I love this so much, but it's again not for people with sensitive skin or people who wants their makeup to last long every day. It's not an everyday purpose friendly product. Okay, keep that in mind. And next is this cotton pads from Prima Donna. This is from Amazon, so I really like this. I usually buy this. I buy this again and again. I know Tulip is very good, but I think this is affordable, and also it performs really well, so I love it. And next let's speak about body washes. Okay, so this is a complete empty. This is from Dove. It's their lavender and chamomile one. I actually used this before. I emptied that and then I tried this one because I love lavender fragrance, but I don't like this. I'm going to use this again. So this is Dove Nourishing Body Wash. I really like the natural, like the default Dove fragrance, and I also like how it moisturizes my skin while also cleaning it up really well. So I really like this one. And I emptied 5 bottles of WishCare multi-peptide shampoo. You all, like, this is such an amazing shampoo. So like, for me it really helped with hair fall. Okay, so that's what I can say. So yeah, you can definitely try this. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So no matter how many other products I try, I usually come back to these products. These are the products I keep on rebuying because I love them so much. Rest, I would say that I change it a lot, not because I don't like, but because I want to try something new, and that happens mostly with moisturizers and sunscreens. Okay, so yeah, that's the truth actually. Okay, so yeah, I just wanted to do this video so that you people really trust my recommendation. So I just wanted to do this video. Okay, so yeah, I'll meet you all in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.